My name is Scott Stenzel. I'm from a small town in Minnesota, Alexandria to be specific. I was born in 1980. I currently live in Orlando, Florida, and I'm pursuing a career in racing.
We're at New Smyrna Speedway. We just finished up 2 days of testing. Scott did a heck of a job. He did everything we wanted in the car. And if you look at his time sheets from when he started out to when he ended up, he went quicker every time he got in the car. As far as his talent goes, there's no problem with him driving a car. They just got to put one under him.
Well, Mike, thank you for everything.
Great job, man. Great job. You surprised me.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. You did really good. Really good.
The day when I know my dream has come true is when I'm strapped into my seat, I can't move a lick. I put on that helmet and I hear over the loudspeaker, "Drivers, start your engines." And the minute when that motor revs up, everything else is toned out. I don't hear anything, I just feel the vibration, and I know this is the moment to shine. There's a lot of people watching at what could happen, and all I dream for is that last lap when I can lead it. That's it. That's when I know I've made it in auto racing.
Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try